Hi everyone, today we'll be going through the process of creating and deploying an application using Loupp. So first we'll create an account and we'll link our source control provider. I will be using GitLab for now to rise. Okay, we have it linked already. Proceed. I'll be using DigitalOcean. So we need to provide our API. So we'll head over to DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean under the API tab, you can just generate a new token. Let's see, test, and yeah, let's just give it full access for now and copy, head back to Loupp and paste. Save. So now we head back and create our server. We leave the name as it is, region, let's select a size, server OS, PHP version, database, leave it as MySQL, database name, let's just leave it as Loupp. It says Ubuntu 20.10 can only install. Okay, supervising 20.24.0. We don't have to worry much about that. And it says these are our details. Let's just copy it for now. I think it should be sent to us to our email after we're done, but for now let's just save it here and we'll wait for our server to get created. So our server is all set. Let's check. Here we have the database details. Let's try to access our database. Import from URL. Import. And let's use the password we saved earlier. Test our connection. And we are not connected to the SSH. So our SSH is now linked to the servers. So let's go to our terminal and copy our SSH. Head over to Loupp to link the SSH to our server. I'll save it as my Mac. Okay. Let me save. Now let's try to SSH to the server first. Let's click here. Okay, as you can see. So let's try to SSH into our server first. SSH. So and there you have it. We SSH successfully. Let's exit. So let's select our SSH key here. And we're going to be selecting test. It's test to see. And it worked. So we are connected to our database. Worked successfully. And now let's proceed to creating our site. So I will be using this my domain. Let's see. So currently it is not linked to any server, as you can see. So we will choose Laravel create site. So while our site is being created, we have to go and link the domain to our server. So let's just do that right away. Okay, manage domain. edit the error code. And there you have it. Okay, this is done for now. So I'm going to be using my sample repository and we use the GitHub branch. So while this part will be setting up, let's check the domain. Currently it is linked to our server, so okay, it isn't going properly yet. Let's just hold on a bit for it. Okay, our site is done setting up and let's check the domain to see if it will work currently. And yes, our application is installed. It's set up already. You can view the deployment log here, and we can make auto deployment given that we're using the feature. You can view our history here, execute commands and run queries, check our log files and install SSL. Let's try that. So while SSL is being installed, let's check other. Okay. By default, we get these two jobs scheduled for us, and here we can edit our PHP version. And this is the settings. So let's check our site to see if the SSL is installed, and seems SSL is installed successfully. So that will be all for now.